methodologies work in specific myself and my colleagues on you for the second successive day. It's, I think, rather unusual for us to have a VC on 2 successive days, and that too, on
cases, and NCDC state sometimes reports 7,628 cases. We do not know who these 1,220 cases are. If the data entry has been wrongly done by provided support through common service center approach also, and similarly there are states which are reporting more cases than what ICMR.
Can you put that? Sir. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Paul's presentation, Chief Secretaries have been requesting if it can be put on the group so that they can brief the Chief Minister, so you can do that. We can make that request. Sir, all of us have understood that lockdown has given a good benefit, but somewhere in the future we have to balance it with the opening up of the activities also, which we. But point to be understood is that violations today in terms of our orders or subsequently a cultural change in which no, not this one. Right. Violation. Other journalists. Also, along with which we need to keep in mind in the days to come. First one is incidents of violence against medical professionals and frontline healthcare workers. This is becoming very important because
we are now the highest per million, but then it was a lot of learning as we went along. We didn't have a single lab earlier, and now we have built up for antigen tests. So we are doing 2 types, RT-PCR as well as the TrueNet. So TrueNet has helped us actually, because we had more of these machines, but RT-PCR also we have built up, and so between the two we are almost able to test 7,000 to 8,000 in a day, and we'll step it up to about 10,000. We also have the antibody test, both which the ICMR gave us, and then we also got from South Korea, sir. Now that is one aspect, sir, how to test, but the other more challenging was whom to test. There are guidelines given by ICMR, but then we did go out to the frontline workers. We have gone as per our surveillance, fever surveillance also. We have done some kind of sampling also, and as per ICMR guidelines, aggressively tested the asymptomatic primary and the secondary contacts. So I think in terms of what protocol to follow, on whom to test, and then in the buffer zone also we did our random sampling, 1 in 10 or 1 in 20 households. And that is how we've reached this stage, but we've had learnings along the way, sir. The second aspect, sir, that's as far as testing is concerned. The second aspect, sir, is about the hospital preparedness. Our learnings in this one is that even though we have built a capacity of almost more than 25,000 beds and 1,100 ventilators, and our quarantine capacity, which is 70,000, and we can convert them to COVID care center if it comes to. We need to prepare everything district-wise. In Kurnool, when we had the cases, sir, when we didn't have the lab in Kurnool, we had so much of difficulty. So I think all capacities have to be built district-wise. It is otherwise very difficult to manage. The third learning, sir, which we are getting along the way, and I would like to just share with what Health Secretary in UP said, sir. Though you mentioned that we think about it later, sir, no matter how much our surge is going to be, it may not be as much as what Dr. Paul mentioned. It may be much less. Even with this 25,000 beds, 70,000 beds, I have a feeling if the surge really comes to any even doubling of it or tripling of it, then we will have to go by a strategy, sir, where asymptomatic cases, mild symptomatic cases will also, for the non-vulnerable group, will have to be told for more of home quarantine, sir. This will also destigmatize the whole thing. Otherwise, there is a lot of stigmatization, positive, the primary and secondary contacts are
Neela, we have been discussing this issue on whom to hospitalize, whom to quarantine, whom to recommend home quarantine, etc. To deal with such an eventuality or such a contingency. They will shortly disseminate. But you mentioned about testing, etc. What was your experience with the rapid testing?
So the antibody got the South Pole takes over because it depends how much the viral load is, etc. But it's taking us further in terms of home quarantine, at least for these people, and their contacts being done home quarantine. So we are learning along the way, sir. As we go.
So I think, it's for experts to give the final, judgment. But the rapid testing kits, many states procured on their own, many states were pressing ICMR or to procure because they wanted to use. And I think it was clarified, it was very clear right from the beginning that the rapid testing kits, they have a different purpose. And antibodies not being formed, in all cases, in the same amount of time, does not necessarily mean, that, in some cases they will be formed later, so sensitivities vary. So whether rapid testing per se is not to be used, or as you are saying that you are using them for a certain purpose, I think since many states have raised these issues, ICMR is in the process of taking all these inputs into consideration and will also shortly communicate to the states any further guidance in the matter.
They have already given us